In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get the Slack QR code. Whether you're looking to access Slack on your mobile device or you're helping a team member connect, acquiring the Slack QR code is a simple process. Let's dive into it and walk through the steps together. First, you'll need to open up Slack. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and do that now using your typical login credentials. Once you're signed in, we're going to look for the drop-down arrow, which is typically located in the top left corner of your Slack interface. This arrow is a gateway to various settings and options within your Slack workspace. Next, go ahead and click that drop-down arrow. This will reveal a menu with several different options. Right here is where you'll be able to find what we're looking for. Among the choices listed, you'll want to select the option that says Get the mobile app. This is the key step for accessing the QR code. Selecting this option acknowledges your intent to connect with Slack through a mobile device. Once you've clicked on Get the mobile app, you'll be directed to a page where the QR code is presented. The QR code is designed to be scanned using a QR code reader or your smartphone's camera, allowing you to swiftly log into Slack on your mobile device without the fuss of entering your credentials manually. This feature adds a layer of convenience, especially when setting up Slack on a new device or assisting team members in getting set up quickly. If you're new to scanning QR codes, just point your smartphone's camera at the code. Most modern smartphones will recognize the code instantly and provide you with a prompt to open the link in Slack's app. Be sure you have the Slack app pre-installed, ready to go. And there you have it, the path to retrieving your Slack QR code. It's an efficient way to transition from desktop to mobile, ensuring you stay connected and productive no matter where you are. If you're setting this up for a colleague, share these steps with them so they can enjoy the same seamless experience. Remember, accessing tools like these not only saves time but enhances how integrated and effective your communication can be. Keep exploring Slack's features and you'll find many ways to streamline your workflows. Thanks for tuning in today and happy connecting.